Hey friends, do you use internet? Well, of course you do. You are watching me on YouTube. You are probably searching with few keywords over the internet and you bumped upon this video. But have you ever thought that how does an internet search work? I mean, whatever search engine you use, Google, Yahoo, Bing, have you thought that what happens after you type in a few keywords, hit the enter button, and within a fraction of second you are shown hundreds and thousands of results? So how exactly, these search engines like Google, Yahoo are kind of connected with almost everything on the internet, that they can answer any question, anything that you search, and they can come back with thousands of results. How does it work? Well, today we'll find it out. My name is Musharraf and you are watching me on my channel Jawabi Baba. On this channel I come to you with a new video that contains a new question and new answer that helps you explore a new fact every day. So let's get started. Before you know how does an internet search work, you first know that every time when you search the internet, when you enter the keywords and hit the enter button, you're actually not searching the entire internet, but instead you are just searching the index which belongs to that particular search engine. That means that whatever that search engine, whatever it is, Google, Yahoo, Bing, whatever you are using, whatever that search engine has found over the internet, your search is limited to that information only. Let me explain it further. Well, by now you may be wondering what an index is. Before we know this, let me first talk about the main three components of internet search. Number one is the web spiders, or you can call them web scrollers. Now, I'm saying very interesting name. People also call them search bots. Google, which is a very widely used search engine, so Google calls its search bots as Google bots. Now, what are these bots? So they are not Autobots from Transformers, they are not robots, they are not mechanical robots, but they are actually software programs which are written by programmers, and these software programs are designed to go over the internet. So their basic job is to go over the internet, travel from one website to another and so on, and scan and crawl all this entire web of website and fetch information and transfer all that information onto the web servers of these search engine. Now what is the information that they scan? So it is the keywords that are used onto the websites, the internal and external links that are there on the websites. Other than that, what is the website content, images that are used, the keywords, whether those keywords, what is the location of those keywords on the website, whether they are used on the header part of the page, the main content part of the page, or onto the footer part of the page. So what is the keyword location, whether the website that is getting scrolled, is it a quality website, does it get clicked more often with the respective with some particular search keywords that it is related to. So all this information is kind of picked from the website and gets transferred into the web servers, and again this is used to create these massive index which are proprietary index. So every search engine would have its own proprietary index, and this index is what gets used every time when you use that search engine and you place a search query. Now the second component is the index itself. So to understand an index a little better, so you all would remember that when we were kids and when we were in school, we used to make an index on the first page of our notebook, wherein we will write the topic and we will write the page number, that on which page number the topic can be found. Similarly, you can imagine that an index for a search engine is a huge and massive database of which is created by words, text words, and what are those words, that are the actual keywords, and what are the related web documents, web content, snippets, snippets which are shown in the search results. So all this information lives onto the index. So search engines use these index as a lookup, as a lookup directory every time when users place search query on their search engines. Now the third important component that you must understand is the ranking. Now as you all would know that when we do the search, most of the time or almost every time we are not shown limited search results. We are actually shown hundreds and thousands of search results. So how do these search engines rank all the search results in our designed fashion? How does it happen that whatever we have searched for, we find out all the relevant information on the first page itself, and most of the time among the top 5 results? So the answer to that question is that all these search engines do this ranking by asking several quality questions from themselves. Now questions are like, what is the type of web result that they have found, right? So let me give you an example. If I am placing a search query, let's say I'm searching for laptop bags over the internet. So I may type good laptop bags in Delhi. Now these are very common keywords. There may be 1,000 search results that are there on the index of that particular search engine. So how would they highlight and how would they pick up the best search results and how would they rank the best search results for us? Would be by asking questions like whether these search results or a search result belongs to a quality website or a scamming website or a low quality website, whether the related keywords are actually present on the header or on the main body, or how many times those keywords are repeated on a particular page of that website. Questions can also be about what are the type of internal links that are used on that website, what are the type of external links, so what external website that particular web result is linked to, and then what is the quality of those external links. Questions can also be related to their own database. So these search engines pay really very serious attention to the click-through rate that they get by showing all the results. So let's say if they see that one particular web document or a web page has a very good click-through rate against few keywords, then they would always kind of rank that particular page higher with respect to related keywords. So these are some questions that each search engine asks from themselves, and this is how they rank whatever search results, thousands of search results that they have found for us. I would appreciate if you can also subscribe to this channel if you have liked this video. Subscription is absolutely free, and if you subscribe you can stay tuned to all my latest videos that I would keep on coming with on this channel. That's all for now. Thanks for watching this video. Stay happy.